Welcome back. This may be the final fireworks. Los Cortitos, what do you think about this? Do you love this? I will say to Betsy if Betsy and Leonardo, if they're watching this, I want to tell them if they like this. And if you guys want to play with me, I'm gonna give you the description below in Roblox. Leonardo and Betsy, do you like this? Comment below, please. Comment below, you guys. El Curtido. Nice. That was playful. Come on. I wonder if there's one close. A big one. That was far away. Boom! Nah, I don't like green. Green is toxic. Ooh. Can I have a close one? Big one. Big one. We need a big one. A massive one that isn't loud. Sorry guys, I'm mixing. Nice! Give me another one! Oh yeah, I love it. Yes, I know. It's like it's raining an umbrella. Give me another one! Sorry guys, I'm itchy. It's like the end of the world. It's like an airstrike? No. Sorry guys, I'm itchy, Cortitos. Yes, I know, I can see. Give me a perfect one! That was a perfect. Come on, that looks like our hair. I still see some fireworks right there. But I don't know why. It's in the Romeo, in our park. But over here, we decided to go here. We're having a big party right there. But we're having a lot of a nuclear party. We're gonna explode. Here it is. This is for Betsy. Hey Betsy, what do you think about this? What is this about? And for Leonardo, are you having a fun time? Or you're having a skeleton fun? Get it? Yeah. But over here sorry guys, I'm itchy. It's just like SANSS GASTEER Blaster. Some of the kids are crying about this. But they're not supposed to. They're just gonna have fun. if you did it.